Welcome back MH Car Review. Today, I'm bringing you an exclusive and detailed review of one of the most futuristic and luxurious motorhomes ever imagined. This Ferrari-inspired super coach looks like it came straight out of the future, and the moment you see it, you immediately realize this isn't just a vehicle, this is a moving masterpiece. Everything about it, from the exterior to the interior and even its performance, pushes the limits of what a luxury motorhome can be. The first thing that grabs your attention is the exterior design. The entire body is finished in Ferrari's iconic red with gold accents that make the vehicle look bold, premium, and extremely aerodynamic. The massive panoramic windshield wraps around the front like the cockpit of a spaceship, giving the driver a wide and clear view of the road. Sleek LED strips, sculpted body lines, and the signature Ferrari-style grille at the front make this machine look powerful even when it's standing still. The double-axle gold rim wheels add an exotic touch and give the motorhome a supercar attitude. The smooth curves, hidden door lines, and futuristic lighting all come together to make this one of the most stylish motorhomes ever designed. Moving inside, the interior is absolutely breathtaking. Step through the automatic sliding doors and you enter a world of luxury that feels like a five-star hotel on wheels. The cabin is spread across 2 levels, offering huge space for passengers to relax in comfort. High-quality leather seats, soft ambient lighting, and large panoramic windows create a relaxing and premium atmosphere. The living area includes a spacious lounge with reclining seats, a smart entertainment system, and noise-insulated walls to keep the cabin quiet even at high speeds. The upper deck offers additional seating or a private relax area with a stunning outside view. The interior uses high-end materials like brushed aluminum, carbon fiber accents, digital touchscreen controls, and climate-controlled zones throughout the coach. Whether you're traveling across the city or cross-country, this motorhome delivers unmatched comfort and luxury. Now let's talk about performance, because a Ferrari-inspired motorhome isn't just about looks, it's built to perform. While this model may not use an actual Ferrari engine, it's imagined with a high-output hybrid powertrain capable of delivering smooth acceleration despite its massive size. Advanced suspension technology ensures stability and comfort on all road types. The aerodynamic design helps reduce drag, giving it better fuel efficiency compared to traditional motorhomes. Adaptive driving modes, smart braking systems, and AI-assisted sensors make the ride safe, smooth, and surprisingly easy for the driver. Even though it's a giant machine, it handles like a premium touring bus with impressive torque and controlled handling. When it comes to pricing, a motorhome of this level obviously falls into the ultra-luxury category. A fully custom design like this can easily range anywhere from $1.5 million to over $3 million depending on configurations, interior upgrades, and onboard technology. This isn't something built for the average buyer, this is for those who want the rarest, most futuristic, and most luxurious travel experience possible. It's a statement vehicle meant for celebrities, athletes, entrepreneurs, and anyone who demands the highest level of comfort and style while on the road. So that was the complete detailed review of this futuristic Ferrari-style luxury motorhome. From its stunning exterior and 5-star interior to its powerful performance and premium pricing, this vehicle is truly a masterpiece of engineering and design. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to subscribe to MH Car Review for more exciting and unique vehicle content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.